Hey Class 36, it's Sal Pizarro here. I've been promising to make you a drink for years. We're finally going to do this. And I'm going to be sending you 3 recipes for our little Zoom meeting tomorrow. But I thought what better way to do this than to actually make a drink with you. What we're going to be making is the Clover Club, which is the advanced drink that I'm sending you. Let's introduce you to your ingredients while we're here, okay? We've got gin. I've got this nice original London dry gin from Trader Joe's. Very easy on the budget, not too bad of a gin, but you can use whatever gin you'd like as long as it's not too floral. A Tanqueray will work, Bombay, whatever you have. Next, we've got some raspberry syrup. This is the key ingredient. It might not be in your kitchen right now unless you make a lot of snow cones at home, but you can probably pick this up in most grocery stores in the bakery area. Look for it. If you can't make this, if you don't have this, you're gonna have to make one of the other drinks. We've also got some lemon juice here. Fresh squeezed is the best, but if you don't have a lemon tree or access to lemons, you gotta do what you gotta do. And finally, we have some egg white. The recipe calls for 1/2 of an egg white. I'm gonna be making 2 cocktails here because Amy's thirsty. So we're using the whole egg white. Okay, and last we've got a lemon here for garnish. Your tools, what you're gonna need: a shaker, preferably with a strainer top, a jigger for measuring, ice, and I've got a vegetable peeler for our garnish. Okay, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take 1/2 ounce of egg white, or half the egg white, and we're gonna put it in our shaker with 1/2 ounce of our raspberry syrup. And as you can see, I just ran out of raspberry syrup, so these are the last ones of these I'm making. And we're gonna give this what we call a dry shake. We're gonna put our top on. As I taught Mia today, important safety tip: make sure you hold the top of your shaker when you're shaking. We're gonna shake this for about 5 seconds. This is called a dry shake. It's just to incorporate the egg white into our syrup. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Nice and easy there. Now let's add the rest of our ingredients. We're gonna add our lemon juice. And we're gonna add gin. The lemon juice, by the way, that's a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. We're gonna add 2 ounces of gin. Remember, I'm making 2, so that's why I'm doing this twice. Finally, we're gonna add our ice cubes. And of course, I washed my hands before I did any of this because that's what we do now. All right. And you may be wondering about the egg white I put in. There is a little bit of health risk involved with using raw egg white in your cocktail, but seriously, is that the health risk we're all worried about right now? I think not. Okay, we've got our top on, and now we're gonna give this a hard shake. This is gonna be like washing your hands during coronavirus, okay? Oh, and if you've got a towel, you might wanna wrap it around here because this is gonna get really cold. I am really starting to wish I had a towel. Gonna get your arm workout in here. Yeah. Shake it like you make it, right? Give it a few more here. Okay. Now, if you've got a fine strainer like this, it's great to use it because it helps with the layering the foam on top. If you don't worry about it. It all tastes the same anyway. So here we go. Pouring this one. You can see it just goes nice, and give it a little Tom Cruise cocktail flourish there. I'm not tossing bottles around. You can see that foam coming out. And if you've got the patience, you can just shake this foam out a little bit, toss a little bit, rest of it there. Last thing, if you've got a nice vegetable peeler like this, you can make a quick slice of lemon peel. You want to squeeze out the essential oils in the lemon. Give it a little twist around the rim, drop it in there. Do this one more time. Give it a little pinch. And there you have it. Clover Club. Cheers.